Hello YouTubers, today's video is a tour of the National World War II Museum that's located in New Orleans, Louisiana. I apologize for having all slides in this particular video. The museum was just so busy at the time that we went through it, it virtually made it impossible to get some good quality footage. The National World War II Museum tells the story of the American experience in the war that changed the world, why it was fought, how it was won, and what it means today, so that all generations can understand the price of freedom and be inspired by what they learn. Through exhibits, multimedia experiences, and thousands of personal accounts, the museum takes visitors on an immersive tour of World War II in every theater of the war. The National World War II Museum's exhibits cover the epic and global scale of the war that changed the world in a voice that is intimate and personal. Exhibits not only highlight the role of the world leaders, but also the everyday men and women who found the strength and courage to accomplish the extraordinary. You don't have to be a history buff to enjoy the museum. Having opened June 6, 2000, the 56th anniversary of D-Day, the museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts and educational films documenting all aspects of the war, from D-Day to the war in the Pacific to the Holocaust. Please keep in mind that even though this is a very short video, that there is much more to see, and this is only a sampling of what we were able to video or record. This place is absolutely a must-see and a for sure bucket list item. With all the history and all the things that are featured in this museum, it is well worth every penny spent to go visit it. Past visitors said that you can't leave without watching the Beyond All Bounties 4D movie narrated by the film's executive producer, Tom Hanks. I can tell you from experience, watching this movie is well worth the cost of the admission alone. With the light effects, the sound effects, the moving seats, and the special effects provided by the movie, you will feel like you are actually in the battlefield and you get a full impact of that experience. You'll also notice I've been doing an awful lot of music background, and I would really like to have your feedback as far as whether you like that music background, and if you do, is it too loud or too soft? It's just kind of fills in some of the areas where I'm not really talking, or it just gives you a chance to just take advantage of the video itself. So please feel free to put any of your comment. So if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching.